it's time to do some fasting. I haven't done it for a few months, and I'm getting back to 70 kilos. A lot of them are on my belly, so it's not really good. So I need to fast and maybe do some jogging. Unless that the tennis court is dried from the rain, from the moist, then I would go play tennis in the afternoon, and after that I would have to eat after tennis. Very intense activity. So yeah, otherwise I'll be fasting whole day. So I went to see the cat again. This time I brought the Olympus 40-150mm lens, the telephoto lens. So it's kind of my first time trying the telephoto lens on animals, trying them on the cats. So it's a kind of fun experience. So I can stay kind of far at a decent distance from the cats and not disturb them too much and capture them. But it's not a super duper telephoto. It's 300mm full frame equivalent, so you do still have to get kind of close to the cats if you want to shoot some up close shots. Most of the cats are more cautious, like they are more shy, and they tend to run away from you when you get closer. But one of the tuxedo cats was super cute, super friendly. He just follows me around, like, asking to be petted. So that was cute. Yeah, that was a little bit shoot with this setup, and I find that the autofocus is decent most of the time, but as soon as there's any motion, if the cat isn't on the move, it's very difficult to find focus. So yeah, kind of struggling. Looking at the weather, it's actually very likely that we are able to play tennis at 4 p.m. So I'm gonna just grab some ramen noodle and eat a little bit, very light meal, because I don't want to go play tennis empty stomach. I have no energy, no strength whatsoever. And yeah, if we play, no fasting today. Tonight I'll be eating a lot. Alright, the tennis court looks good. It's pretty dry, so I think we're gonna play in 15 minutes. And I'm shooting with the Lumix 12-32mm lens. The kit lens is cheap because I don't want the dust, the clay to get into my fancy Leica lens. So I don't use Leica lens when I'm shooting tennis. That's the thing. Alright, I'm gonna set up the camera. Today we're gonna record. It's been a long time since I record my tennis session. And I just got really lazy. I don't want to set up a tripod and stuff when I play tennis. it's a lot of work, and also editing, post-editing, it's a lot of work, so I just don't feel like doing that. But today, I'm gonna do it.